Hi, and welcome to our series called Keep Calm and Craft On. My name is Ann Rector, and I'm with the Centennial Library, part of the Midland County Public Libraries. And today we're going to be doing a DIY lip scrub. What you will need to do this, you will need regular sugar that we have right here. You will need coconut oil. Make sure everything that you get is food safe. Food coloring, and you will need your flavorings for your lip scrub. Both of these are not necessary to make them, but they make it much more enjoyable. If you cannot find these flavorings, you can use vanilla or almond extract that you may have at home already. Okay. Now you will also need bowls, a tablespoon measuring spoon, and you will need a container for your finished product. Let's get started making our lip scrub. Okay, so we're first going to take our coconut oil. Now make sure that everything that you have is food safe because you will be putting this on your lips. So we just have some organic coconut oil, and we are going to put in 1 tablespoon. Now, I did not have my measuring spoons here at the library, so I'm just using a regular spoon that I found. Okay. The most important thing is you're going to do a ratio of 1 spoonful of coconut oil to 2 spoonfuls of sugar. All right, so we have our coconut oil. Now we're going to add our sugar. This is just regular sugar, nothing special. Just 2 spoonfuls of sugar. And we're going to mix it around. Now, this is all about personal preference as well. So if you like your lip scrubs to be extra exfoliating, then maybe you want it to be a coarser texture, then add a little bit more sugar. If you don't, then add a little bit less. So you just probably have to experiment and figure out what you like. Okay, so now that we have that kind of mixed together, and that's probably a pretty good consistency, we're going to add our flavoring. So here we have cherry flavor, and a little goes a long way. If you do not have this flavoring that we got, you can use vanilla or almond extract that you have at home and mix those in there as well. That would be nice. Instead of regular sugar, you could use brown sugar. Mix that in. And then it's already a little bit pink because of our flavoring, but we're going to also add a little bit of food coloring. Just a couple of drops, maybe just 2. That's probably good. Now with food coloring, if you decide to use blue, and you have blue lip scrub, if you use a lot, your lips may turn blue. So keep that in mind. Same with green. Since this is red, or this pink color, it could turn your lips just a touch pink, but yeah. It's okay. Okay. Now that we have that all combined, that's pretty much it. You do want to store your lip scrub. Oops. I have these little glass jars that I'm going to put mine in. I'm just going to scoop it up and put it in. Okay. Now since it does have coconut oil in it, and that does turn liquid at room temperature, or when it gets hot. You can store it in the fridge if you want. It's probably preferred. And then take it out of the fridge a little bit before you use it. Okay, and there you have it. DIY lip scrub for your self-care weekend. Now that you have completed your lip scrub, here's how to use it. So what you want to do is you want to take your lip scrub, you want to take a small amount, rub it on your lips to exfoliate them. You can use a toothbrush too if you really want to get them very exfoliated. After that, then you want to wash your lips off with just a little bit of water, and then end with your favorite lip balm to moisturize after. And that's really it. So I hope you make them and you enjoy it, and let us know. Thanks.